Amnesia is most often classified by the time of CNS insult into retrograde and anterograde. And I'm sure you can figure out what they mean based on their names, right? Retrograde amnesia is memory loss for things that happened before the injury, and anterograde amnesia is the inability to form new memories after an injury. You know, like when a person has the same conversation over and over again after brain trauma. Now, there's many different etiologies of amnesia. Some are more likely to be retrograde, and others are more likely to be anterograde. Korsakoff amnesia, remember that one? This is the one that happens in alcoholics late in the disease because of a thiamine deficiency that leads to mammillary body destruction. Anyway, that one causes both anterograde and retrograde amnesia, but the anterograde amnesia is typically more severe. Now, as you may remember from biochem, the really hilarious thing about this syndrome is that it's characterized by confabulation, which is science jargon for making stuff up. Literally, if you asked them, "What'd you do yesterday?" and they had no idea because, amnesia, the brain might try to fill in the gaps with some plausible sounding nonsense like, "Oh, I went to the movies with Jim Bob and we saw that new Jump Street movie I've been meaning to see." And you'd be like, "Really? What'd you like about that new movie?" And they'd be all, "Mostly how it was so different from the first one." And you'd be all like, "Aha, you drunk, I've got you now. It was exactly the same as the first one."